What's up, YouTube? Today we are playing the worst food truck again. But now I know what to do. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and make the pizza for her. Grab the olive. It's okay if it's a little rotten. It's fine. Da-da-da. Da-da. Perfect. Now I need to go. And then we need this. Put this on this. Move this. Move this here. And then we put this right there. And you grab and then you roll. You roll it. You can have this, man. Oh! Oh, I killed her. Oh, frick, I actually killed her. Oh, God. Now we need tomato sauce. You're not gonna tell them about the body down there, right? Right. Oh, frick, of course. I just got infinite tomato sauce right here. That's an infinite tomato. Your pizza, sir? It is not ready. I don't know. Just take the freaking pizza.
No.
Get out of here. Oh, I think I killed him too. I think I killed him too. You didn't see anything, man. You didn't see anything. Oh my god, I literally have infinite things. Infinity. I'm not gonna. Oh. It's alright. These aren't. Actually, no, it's a freaking frisbee. I'm throwing the frisbee. Freaking no, bro. Okay, I actually need to lock in. Okay, lock in. Lock in. And then she wants tomato. And she wants it chopped up. The tomatoes are kind of rotten, but it's alright. She also wants an olive right in the middle there. I said an olive. My controller batteries are low, so they might die in the middle of this game. Where'd the pizza go? Right here. Okay, I'm not gonna stop putting olives on until I see the olive. Okay. Here, got the tomato. Hello, ma'am. It's alright. Is it okay if it has a blue core? Yeah, that should be fine. She won't care. Oh, I thought it did die. You have to drop it. You can't place it. You have to drop it. Drop it. Perfect. Beautiful. And all we do is cook it. I kind of want to rate them just for that, because I want that. Should I hit her? You want this, ma'am? Ma'am?
Ha!
She scared me. The pizza's good. It's good. Here you go, ma'am.
Yahoo!
No, I want to kill her. I want to kill her. I want to kill her. She's just gonna disappear. Can I kill him? Can I kill him? Where's my knife? Oh, this is even better. Okay, she goes into the floor. Okay. Don't come.
Oh.
I said get out. Oh, there's my knife. I have to kill one person with this knife.
Hey!
Oh my god, you're not freaking dead.
Ouch!
Now you are. Okay, this is easy. This is an easy thing right here. This is easy to do. Okay, if I can get the sausage in there. Thank you. Sausage juice. Cool. That's weird, bro. I need my knife. I also need to cut up sausage. More sausage. You want sausage, sauce. And now you want just regular sausage on it. Oh, that's not the right thing. Why is it green though? Like something's bugged. Like my hand. It's green. I don't even have to put anything in there. It just makes freaking green. I'm gonna restart the game real quick. Quit. You guys can't see my house. You guys can't see my house. Oh, you guys can't see my house. Okay. Oh, I think I just leaked something. Frick, I hope y'all don't see that. I'm gonna grab this. Just grab it. Oh, look how beautiful I am. Oh. Beautiful. Stop looking at me. Oh, he's trying to attack back. Oh, frick. He threw it at me. Die. He tried to kill me. He tried to kill me. He tried to kill me. Okay, I'm sorry. I should probably get your pizza ready and made. We're just gonna grab the entire thing. I can't. I'm walking into a baby kennel right now. Not kennel. Place. Right now. Let me get this. Chop this up. Oh. Oh, so if I throw it at you, will it splatter? I'm sorry, sir, ma'am. I think that's a ma'am, but it has a lady voice, so I'm not. I don't discriminate. If you gay, you gay. Get this off my freaking counter. Only the freshest for my customers. You also wanted pineapple? You weirdo. God. You deserve to freaking die. And then olive. I think this is only the second pizza I've actually gotten out today. I didn't know I could do this. How long is this video going for? Frick, I have to end it soon, like 5 minutes. gave me the pizza. It's probably burning my hand. Here you go, sir.
Whoa!
You lucky. Lucky. Yeah, disappear. Disappear. I'm gonna stab your heart. Oh, I'm so sorry, man. Not. Like a other better ladies. I know. Okay, this will be my last customer, and then I'm done for this video. I wish you would let me do videos longer than freaking 15 minutes. But I'm probably gonna post 2 videos today. I think I am gonna post 2 videos today. Like, it won't be like it'll be like 40 minutes after this video comes out, like 30-40 minutes. But I'll post another video. I want to put one of these dookies at her. I don't even know what these are, bro. They're just here and I'm grabbing them. Oof. Oh, that was Dookie. I killed her. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Where's my knife? Where's my knife, bro? There's a pineapple. Want the pineapple, ma'am? You can have the pineapple. I don't need it. Just freaking use this to cut it, I guess. I just stubbed my toe. And she also wants cheese. Do I need to cut up the cheese? My hand is gone. Oh, yeah, it's dead. The controller's dead. It's okay. The pieces don't have to look freaking perfect. They're not connected. Yeah. Yeah, this is absolutely the last video. Not the last video. Last customer. Freaking take that. I don't even need it. Where'd it go? I need to probably cook it. I think they made this video trying to get the same success as Who's the King, Scan and Scam, and then, you know what? You know what? Where you at? They're lucky. This is where I end the video.
Ouch!
Oh, I need to use my left hand. It's kind of weird because I'm a lefty. Not a lefty, I'm a righty. I wish I could use both my hands, but I hope you guys have a go. Flip. Oh, that's the other way. No. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.